Leather steering wheels are often considered tricky to clean and very tricky to restore. In this video I'll show you a top secret detailing trick and prove that you don't need the world's most expensive detailing products to come away with an amazing result. The car in question is a high mileage Volvo V50 estate with the shiniest leather steering wheel I've ever seen. I can only assume its previous owners have been wiping it over with those nasty interior wipes for years. But today I'm going to clean it with something much cheaper and much more effective. The big secret is Pears Glycerin Soap. Let's see how it comes out. First you'll want to wipe the steering wheel down with clean, warm water. This opens the pores of the leather and releases all the dirt. Looking considerably better already, but just wait for the finished result. Work the Pears soap into the leather with a soft detailing brush. Once you've thoroughly agitated the soap into all parts of the leather, wipe it over with fresh warm water just to remove any soap residue. Once you're happy that all the soap residue has been removed, wipe the wheel down with a fresh clean towel to dry it. It might still feel slightly damp after this, so you might want to give it a couple of hours before you touch it again just to ensure that it's fully dry. The result is remarkable. The OE finish has been restored. This old wheel looks brand new again. Thank you for watching.